Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna talk about the doctor's must-have minis kit from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. As I said in the unboxing video, I will test these products, and today I have exactly 2 weeks from the date I started to use this kit. And yes, I made an opinion about these skincare products. First, everything I will say in today's video is my own personal opinion and my own experience with these products. Okay, beautiful people, let's start with the first product from the kit. It is a cleanser. It's called Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel. To be honest, this is the product I didn't like. My problem is with the formula. It is strange. Well, personal for me, I find it strange. It's hard to spread, it's sticky. I didn't enjoy using this product at all. Now let's move to a product which I like. Is the Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. Is a 2-step daily peel treatment. There were 5 treatments inside. Each treatment contains 2 sachets. First is exfoliate and smooth. On to clean and dry skin, massage the pad until it's completely dry. Wait for a couple of minutes. And after move to step 2, anti-aging neutralizer. First time when I tried the treatment, I felt a slightly burning and stinging sensation on the forehead and on the cheeks, and I decided that will be better for me to use this treatment once in 3 days, and only after 3rd try my skin acclimated. As I said, I like it. After the treatment my skin was glowy, smooth and soft on touch. Yes, this is a nice product. Next I have Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum. Well guys, I said about the cleanser formula that is strange, but this serum formula is weird. Let me show you. As you can see, it's very sticky. I thought that this product will not absorb into the skin, but I was wrong. It does absorb into the skin. Well, at least you have a feeling that is absorbed. But here comes the weirdest part. You feel this serum on the surface of the skin. It's like it's just sitting there. And at the same time your skin feels very dry. A very strange product. Here we have Be-Free Adaptive Superfoods Stress SOS Eye Cream. The eye cream is nice. I like the formula. It's lightweight, but at the same time is super nourishing and refreshing. As you saw, the tube is small. It has 5 ml of a product, but I still have product inside. I used it already for 2 weeks, and I have product left for another 2 weeks, I think. I like it a lot. A very nice eye cream. And the last product that we will talk about is Oil-Free Moisture Cushion Gel Cream. It's a very good lightweight face cream. It's absorbing easy into the skin, but for my normal to dry skin wasn't enough hydration. Definitely for somebody with combination or oil skin type, this cream may be a hit, but for me, for what I want from a face cream, unfortunately is a miss. As I said guys, this is my honest and personal opinion about these products. I'm not saying that they are bad. For me, for my skin, I didn't feel that they did something special. Unfortunately, I am not convinced to go and buy them. Okay, beautiful people, and this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!